Want to start a wig business from home in 2026? Today I'm breaking down the exact steps to launch your wig brand with no experience, even if you don't want to deal with shipping or inventory. Let's jump straight into the video. Hey friend, I'm Terry. On this channel, we will talk about everything from business ideas to making money from home and a little bit of Shopify web design. Step 1 is choose your wig niche. A couple examples are beginner-friendly wigs, headband wigs, or even natural hair wigs. So be sure to choose a specific wig niche. This helps you stand out and attract customers who know exactly what they want. Now, this is an example. I'm sure you probably heard of Icy Hair. If you hover over their wig section, they do have very certain type of wigs. Let's just say kinky curly wig. I'm going to click that and I'll show you all of their kinky curly wigs just for an example. Step 2 will be to pick your brand name and aesthetic. So next, create a brand identity. This can include your business name, color palette, and the overall vibe of your store. So let's say you need help creating a business name. I would suggest going to ChatGPT. If you're not using chat, then what are you doing? But I would type in, give me a few names for this type of hair business. This is the niche. And then you would enter on chat, and then they will give you a few business name ideas, as you can see from right here. Next up, if you need help figuring out a color palette, because you want to have certain aesthetic colors, if you were to Google light pink brand color palette, you can scroll down and they will give you like some color palette ideas. If you click this website, you can get the exact hex code if you hover over each color, so that way everything is branded. Now, after that, I would suggest getting a logo. You can get a logo from Canva, but the best logos might be on Etsy. They do have templates and they're very affordable. I think the best logo is really a text-based logo. You don't really want to do like a cartoon like that. Try to keep it simple and elegant. Step 3 will be find reliable wig vendors. The most important part of your wig business is your vendor. You need vendors with fast shipping, consistent quality, and options for dropshipping, just in case if you did not want to hold the inventory. So if you wanted to like maybe have branded packaging, I would suggest looking on Alibaba, so that way you can really stand out. So you can start with like the regular poly mailers on Amazon, but if you want branded, check out Alibaba. And the 3 different ways that you can start your wig business is number 1, create your own wigs by buying bundles or closures. You can sew it together by either a machine or handmade, drop shipping with DSER and Shopify, or even using private label extensions. Now, of course, this may be the hardest one, which is sewing your own wigs. If you have that type of creativity or that special touch, you will go to Alibaba to find some bundles and closures, and pretty much you will want to do your research, review the reviews, order samples, but pretty much at the top of Alibaba, you would just type in what type of hair that you would want to create as far as like a wig, and then you can view tons of vendors on there. And the second way that you can start is with dropshipping. So if you don't know, you can dropship with Shopify. The only app you need to download with Shopify is DSER, which is pretty much AliExpress. I have tons of tutorials on my channel and I will be making more. And the third way will be another company you can use. This is called Private Label Extensions. They do have, they do wholesale, but they also drop ship as well. So if you go to their website, Google Private Label Extensions and go to the bottom and click drop shipping, they do have that option. You just pretty much have to do your research. Pretty much you don't hold the inventory. They hold the inventory and will ship the items for you. And they may charge monthly as well, unlike DSER would be free. And step 4 will be to build your own online store. Of course, I'm going to recommend Shopify, especially if you're drop shipping. But even if you're not, even if you're doing wholesale or you decide to buy the inventory, Shopify is the number one platform. Of course, they do charge a little bit, $29 to $39 a month, but you can start with $1 free trial. If you were to scroll back to the top and click start for free trial, and then you can even do like $1 for the first month or so. And also, Shopify is easy to customize as far as their themes. They have tons of free ones. So yeah, I would check out Shopify as your platform. And if you want to skip the tech and launch your wig business fast, I also sell pre-built dropshipping Shopify hair stores. These come fully designed with vendors already connected and synced, product pages done for you, and automatic fulfillment. You don't have to hold inventory, ship orders, or buy hair in bulk. Your vendor handles everything, so you can focus on marketing and your store does the rest. Step 5 will be to create product photos and content. So you don't need to show your face to create content. You can use vendor photos, stock videos, or even mannequin photos. You can do like mannequin head styling videos, wig brushing close-up, or even opening, unpacking samples. And if you need content ideas, I do have a guide. It is a 30-day hair content plan. You can get this link in the description. It pretty much helps you create content with 30 days, ideas, titles, and hashtags just to get your brain going. Click the link in the description to grab this today. And here are a few examples of like content ideas. If anything, you should definitely be wearing the hair on yourself, or if maybe find an influencer to work with. But this is just a few examples. And the final step will be to collect emails. Of course, if you have a Shopify website or whatever platform you do choose to use, create that hype and then launch and market your wig business. So for marketing, focus on short form content like TikTok, IG Reels, YouTube Shorts, and show quick before and afters, unboxing. And if this video was helpful, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Comment down below any questions you may have. And click the link in the description to get your pre-built hair store today. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.